Another day, another story. Becoming a millionaire is a goal that many people aspire to, but it is not always easy to achieve. Here are some steps that you can take to increase your chances of becoming a millionaire. Set specific financial goals. Before you can become a millionaire, you need to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve and how you plan to get there. Set specific financial goals, such as saving a certain amount of money or increasing your income by a certain percentage, and create a plan to help you reach those goals. Save and invest wisely. One of the key ways to accumulate wealth is to save and invest your money wisely. This means setting aside a portion of your income each month and using it to build a financial cushion or invest in assets that have the potential to appreciate in value over time. Increase your income. Another way to accumulate wealth is to increase your income. This can be done by negotiating a higher salary at your current job, seeking out new job opportunities that pay more, or starting a side hustle or business to generate additional income. Live below your means. In order to accumulate wealth, you need to be able to save and invest more money than you spend. This means living below your means and being disciplined about your spending. Look for ways to cut costs and save money, such as by cooking at home instead of eating out, buying used instead of new, or negotiating lower prices on bills and expenses. Stay focused and consistent. Becoming a millionaire requires discipline and perseverance. It is not a quick or easy process, and it may take several years or even decades to reach your financial goals. Stay focused on your goals and be consistent in your efforts to save, invest, and increase your income, and you will be more likely to achieve your financial dreams.